Are you tired of messy cabinets? Meet the all-new under-sink organizer that keeps everything neat and easy to reach. Technology is getting better and better every day, and with each new release, it's easy to get distracted by what's trending and overlook the products that actually matter, the ones that are smart, practical, and built to improve your daily life. That's why we're bringing you 5 of the best options on the market right now. Whether it's for your home, office, or on-the-go lifestyle, these picks are more than just hype. They're genuinely useful, cleverly designed, and worth your attention. Let's get into it. The 5th product on this list is the Miyawell Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. This cabinet organizer is here to make your home feel more organized and stress-free. Whether it's the bathroom, kitchen, or laundry room, the Miyawell Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer can make storing your everyday items easier than ever. With smooth sliding drawers and built-in handles, you won't have to reach blindly into the back of your cabinet again. Both the upper and lower drawers pull out effortlessly, giving you quick access to everything, even those hidden bottles way in the back. The clever L-shaped design is a game changer. It fits perfectly around pipes and garbage disposals while making the most of your vertical space. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't just for under the sink. Use it to organize makeup, toiletries, dish soap, cleaning supplies, stationery, or even snacks. It's a multi-purpose solution that works in just about every room. The storage capacity is impressive too. The bottom drawer can hold bottles up to 11 inches tall, while the top drawer is perfect for smaller items. Its sturdy steel frame means it can handle heavy loads without bending, and with suction cups and nano tape included, it stays in place without slipping or sliding around. If you're tired of clutter and love a neat, tidy home, this under-sink organizer is a must-have. It's easy to install, saves space, and instantly brings order to chaos. Want to learn more or see the most up-to-date prices? Just click the links down in the description box. The 4th product on this list is the PUILUO Cabinet Storage Rack. If your cabinets are always a mess, this little 2-tier gadget is about to change everything. The PUILUO Cabinet Storage Rack is a smart and compact under-sink organizer that helps you make the most of your space without any stress. Built with strong ABS plastic and thickened support rods, it's sturdy enough to hold your essentials, whether it's cleaning products, toiletries, or kitchen items. The baskets have a hollow design, so there's no water buildup, and they're super easy to clean. Just a quick wipe and you're done. One of the best parts? The bottom drawer slides out smoothly, making it super easy to grab what's tucked behind. No more bending, digging, or knocking over bottles just to get one item. Plus, it comes with 8 handy side hooks so you can hang small items like brushes, towels, or gloves, wasting zero space. Measuring just 8.5 inches wide and 15.5 inches deep, it's compact but spacious enough to hold tall bottles up to 9.1 inches. Whether you're organizing your bathroom, kitchen, pantry, or even your office, this organizer fits right in. And the best part? No tools or screws required. Just pop the pieces together, press down to lock in place, and boom! You've got a sturdy, sleek rack ready to use. Still haven't found the best under-sink organizer and storage for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. The 3rd product on this list is the DEKAVA Sliding Cabinet Basket Organizer. This cabinet organizer is built with a smooth sliding drawer design, so you can easily pull out the bottom basket and grab what you need. No more bending, digging, or knocking things over. It's perfect for tight spaces under the sink or inside cabinets where reaching the back can be a hassle. Up to 10.3 inches tall, giving you room for everything from cleaning sprays and shampoos to large jars and kitchen essentials. And don't worry about it tipping or wobbling. Its reinforced base, thick steel tubes, and sturdy ABS plastic baskets give it solid strength and lasting durability. Use it anywhere, under the bathroom sink, in the kitchen, pantry, garage, or even your laundry room. It's a total space saver that fits right in. The best part? No tools needed. Setup is as easy as clicking the 4 support rods into place and pressing them in until secure. Cleaning is just as simple. Thanks to waterproof, rust-resistant ABS material, a quick wipe with a damp cloth keeps it looking fresh and new. Whether you're organizing your kitchen or making more space under the bathroom sink, the DEKAVA Sliding Cabinet Basket Organizer is a smart and stylish upgrade for your home. Clean look, big capacity, super easy. The second product on this list is the REALINN Under Sink Organizer and Storage. If your sink cabinet is a messy jungle of bottles, sponges, and random stuff, you need the REALINN Undersink Organizer and Storage. This little game changer turns chaos into clean and clutter into calm. With its smart L-shaped design, it fits perfectly around pipes and garbage disposals without wasting space. The bottom tier is roomy enough for tall bottles, so no more awkward tilting or squeezing to make things fit. But here's the best part, it slides out like a drawer. No more bending and digging into the back of the cabinet just to find one bottle. Just pull it out smoothly and everything's right there. Easy access, zero frustration. And don't worry about wobbles. The REALINN is built solid with high-quality steel that can hold up to 50 pounds. It's got anti-rust paint, strong suction cups, and no need for drilling or tools. You'll snap it together in seconds, and it stays in place. Plus, it's not just for your kitchen. This thing works great in the bathroom, laundry room, or even under your office sink. Store your toiletries, cleaning supplies, or spices, all in one neat, easy-to-reach place. The open grid shelf design also prevents water buildup, and it comes with 2 pads to stop small items from falling. When it gets dirty, just remove and rinse. Before we reveal the best undersink organizer and storage on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. Finally, our best undersink organizer and storage is the NETEL Expandable Shelf Organizer. The NETEL Expandable Shelf Organizer is here to fix that chaos once and for all. This smart little gadget gives you a neat, customizable storage solution that actually works with your space, not against it. What makes it special? First off, it's expandable. You can stretch it from 20.7 inches all the way up to 32.3 inches in length, making it perfect for all sorts of cabinets, even the tricky ones with weird pipe placements. It's built with a sturdy metal frame and has 4 adjustable height levels, so whether your pipes are high, low, or somewhere in between, you're covered. It also comes with 8 removable panels, which you can easily slide out to allow the sink drain pipe to pass through without any hassle. That means more space, better fit, and no wasted shelf room. And best of all, you can set it up in less than 5 minutes. No tools, no drama. Just make sure the frame is level before tightening the screws, and you're good to go. This shelf is easy to clean, strong enough to hold your daily essentials, and smart enough to adjust to your space. Whether you're organizing under the kitchen sink, bathroom cabinet, or even a laundry area, NETEL makes it easier. So if you're tired of knocking things over every time you reach for something, this expandable shelf is the game changer you need. Declutter your cabinet, maximize your space, and bring back some peace to your daily routine. Full product info and pricing are linked down below. Can't get enough? We've handpicked these next 2 videos just for you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.